Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. First, it's important to know that not all key fobs charge the same way. Some models use a standard replaceable battery, while newer versions might offer inductive charging. We'll cover both methods, so you can keep your key fob powered up and ready to go. Let's dive into the details. If your key fob uses a replaceable battery, the process is straightforward. First, find the small release button or slot, often near the keyring. Press it to remove the emergency key, then use a small flat-bladed tool to carefully pry open the casing. Inside, you'll find a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently remove the old one and insert the new battery with the positive side facing down, then snap the fob back together. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial wisdom. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For key fobs with inductive charging, the process is even simpler. Many newer Jeep Grand Cherokee models include a wireless charging pad, often located in the center console or armrest. Simply place your key fob directly onto this pad. Ensure your vehicle is running or in accessory mode for the charging to activate. The fob will charge wirelessly, keeping it ready without needing to open it. To ensure your key fob always works, consult your Jeep's owner's manual for model-specific details. If your key fob is acting inconsistently, like requiring multiple presses to lock or unlock, it's likely a sign of a weak battery. Keeping a spare CR2032 battery on hand or ensuring your inductive fob is regularly charged can prevent unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.